Norway, the land of fjords. It is said that once you visit Norway, you will lose your heart there. It is indeed one of the most beautiful countries in the world. There are a number of Hollywood movies shot in this country just to give the viewers that wow factor. Today, let me take you to a small but picturesque town in Westland and the world-famous Stryn River. The Stryn River is one of the most unique serpentine river in Norway, which is also one of the most beautiful meandering rivers in the world. The Stryn River, or the snake-like river, or as the locals call it as the Stryn Valley, has a length of 8 kilometers from one end to the other. A drive or walk along the stretch of the river is definitely recommended. The river surrounded with lushy green farmlands and sheep pens are a sight straight out of a fantasy movie that could capture our heart, mind and soul. The beautiful small bridges cutting across the river. The small towns near the river banks are a sight to watch. This river is a fisherman's paradise, as many fishes can be found here, especially salmon and trouts. Every year, thousands of fishing hobbyists visit this river, which is not only a treat to the eyes, but also a source of tasty and healthy treat to the stomach. This beautiful river, after meandering through the fertile Stryn Valley from the large lake Oppstrynsvatn at one end, enters a small village at the other end called Stryn. The small village of Stryn, with a population of just around 7,200, is located along the innermost part of the Nordfjord, situated in an area known for its scenic surroundings, with everything from blue glaciers to majestic mountains, fertile valleys, and deep lakes. Stryn can offer a rich assortment of nature-based activities all year around. The other places of interest around this village are Mount Leon Skylift, the beautiful village called Olden, and the Bergdalsbjørn glaciers are in its vicinity. Join us as we take you on a journey to visit more countries and interesting places around the world. Subscribe now. There are several links to other places and countries in the description. You don't want to miss them.